A common concern that business owners have when they start to look at installing solar PV is that there might be quite some disruption to the operation of the business. And generally this just isn't the case. There tends to be scaffolding on site to get access to your roof, but we can design the scaffolding with you to make sure that we put our accesses in some way that's not going to be too disruptive to your business, and make sure that we've got the right safety protections in place so that people can work under it, and we've got the guarding there to not have any risk of anything falling from the roof and causing injury. Almost all of the system is installed without being connected to the electrical supply first, and then the last job is to make a connection into your electrical system. That varies, but there's almost always a need to shut the site down, and we can usually get those down to like 1 or 2 hour shutdowns. And we're quite familiar with having to do those out of hours or to fit around your operation. We'll manage to find a way that we're not going to cause significant disruptions. If you feel disruption is a reason to not proceed with solar for your business, then I would very much urge you to get in touch, and we'll have a conversation about it, and generally we'll find a way that we can get solar installed for your business without any interruption to your operations.